Have you ever paused to consider how vital the role of prosthetics is in our society? Prosthetics or artificial body parts are a lifeline for many, offering unprecedented mobility and independence. But what really goes into the making of these remarkable devices? Prosthetics come in various forms and serve different functions. Think of them as a spectrum, ranging from lower limb prosthetics, upper limb prosthetics, to external prosthetics. Each type is designed to cater to individual needs, replacing or augmenting specific body parts that may be missing or impaired. The materials used in prosthetics are as diverse as their types. Plastics, carbon fiber, metals, and silicone are commonly used, each chosen for their unique properties that meet specific functional and durability requirements. One size doesn't fit all when it comes to prosthetics. Customization is key. Each prosthetic device is tailor-made to fit an individual's unique body structure and personal needs. This ensures optimal comfort and functionality. At the heart of modern prosthetics is the aim to replicate natural body movements. Some prosthetics are passive, meaning they don't move. Others are active, motorized with sensors, and capable of mimicking natural body functions. The key components of a prosthetic device include sockets, connectors, joints, and cosmetic covers. Each plays a crucial role in the overall functionality and appearance of the prosthetic. Proper fitting of prosthetics is a delicate, critical process. It's here that the expertise of prosthetists comes into play. These professionals specialize in fitting and adjusting prosthetic devices, ensuring optimal comfort and functionality for the wearer. Like any piece of complex machinery, prosthetics require regular maintenance and adjustments. This ensures that the device continues to function correctly and serves the user well. In the realm of prosthetics, technology is a game changer. From myoelectric control that uses muscle signals, microprocessor-controlled knees, to the use of 3D printing for custom designs, technological advancements are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But receiving a prosthetic device is only half the battle won. Rehabilitation is often necessary, where individuals learn to use their new devices effectively, adapting to their new way of life. However, despite these advancements, accessibility to prosthetic care and technology is not uniform across the globe. Challenges in affordability and availability persist, particularly in certain regions. In a nutshell, prosthetics are a beacon of hope, offering a chance at a normal life to those who might otherwise be limited by their physical conditions. As we continue to innovate and improve in this field, we edge closer to a future where everyone has access to this transformative technology.